Hello and welcome back to Curriculum and Instruction Services Canvas Training Series. In this video, we're going to show you how to create an assignment in your Canvas course. So from the home page of your course, you're going to click on the Modules tab, okay, which is right here for me. Now, just so you know, you can create an assignment three ways. You can create it in Assignments with the plus assignment. You can create it in a specific module with a plus right here. Or you can create it in your calendar, in your course calendar. If I click here, I can open up the day and select assignment. So there's lots of different um, options for you. I personally would suggest to do it in your modules page. Now let me go back to this. And the reason why is because if you create all of your coursework in the modules page, it's all in one place for your students to access. And granted, they could go to the other tabs to find them, but I like referring to them here because it's easier for your students to find things in one place. Same with you as the teacher. You want to, it allows you to find all of your coursework in one place. So with that being said, let's create an assignment. So let's say I want to use my early humans module. Okay, first thing I want to do is publish it so that the students can access the module. Click on the assignment, click on the plus sign, which is right here. Then I'm going to select assignment. I'm going to select create assignment. And this is where you're going to give the assignment, your assignment, a name. Okay, so I'm going to title this assignment A for assignment 001. It's the first assignment of my class. And I'm going to give it a name. As let's say the Neo Age essay. Okay. And then I'm going to select the add item, which puts it right here. So notice I have a little paper with a pencil. That's the Canvas's icon for assignment. All right. So to create the assignment and edit it and give directions, you open it up. And then you're going to select the edit button right here. Okay. So I'm going to give directions for it. Discuss in 3 paragraphs. Okay. Now, I want to give them, it's good to, when you're giving them directions, to also give directions to how to turn this in. So for the students, they're going to submit your assignment, they're going to click on the submit button and then to select text entry, and then 3 they're going to type your essay in the text box. Okay, this is a quick we can all, I can change this depending on the how they go about doing this. Okay, so down here, this is where you decide, do you want to give them points? Okay, because right here it says display grade as. Do you want it to be points? You can do percentages, a letter grade. Okay, so there's lots of different ways to do this. And okay, so I'm going to display it as points, so it's going to be 15 points. Okay. And then down here, submission type. So how do you want them to turn it in? You can do online or paper. Kernel tool is for programs that you may have linked to your Canvas account, such as turnitin.com. So for our purposes, I'm going to select online. All right, so because I asked them to select a text entry, they're going to type their response in. I'm going to have them do text entry. Now you could, if they wanted to put put it on a Google Doc, you can have them turn in the link. You can have them upload a media recording or a file, but I'm going to keep it as text entry. Submission attempts. How many times do you want them to be able to submit it? Unlimited is fine. Okay. Group assignment, you have the opportunity for peer review. This means what section do you want to send this to? So this would be for teachers that maybe have 5 prep periods and they can select which periods this goes to. The due date, I give a couple weeks to allow for absent students. Okay. Now available from, this means when do they have access to this assignment to where they can turn it in. All right, so let's give them a couple weeks. Let's give them about a month. Okay, so this is available from today, the 18th, and we'll make it available for them to turn in to the 18th of September, 17th. Okay, and then once they are done, they're going to select save. You're going to select save. Okay, so now here's the assignment. And right now this assignment is not published, so it's not visible to the students. So this is a way you can create your assignments beforehand and then make them visible when you want them to. For our purposes, I'm going to publish it. Okay, so let's take a look at what the student sees when they look at this. All right, so they're going to go, so let's go to student view. I'm going to go to modules. And there is my Neolithic essay. Okay, notice too, if I go to home, under the to-do list for the students, there is the Neolithic essay for them. Okay, so they can open it up here as well. Okay, so I have this wrong. This should be start assignment, so I want to fix that. So how the kids turn it in is, here's the prompt. They click start assignment, and then they type in their answers. For one, I'm just going to type in some quick text just to see what it looks like on the grading end. Okay, and when the student is done, they click submit. And there we go. They get a little confetti parade and they are good. Now, what does this look like for the teacher to grade it? Okay, so for me, I'm going to go to my gradebook under grades. Okay, now notice I only have one student. That's the test student. Okay, so that's the student view. So that's a way, using the student view is a way for you to view your course from the student's eyes, and you can kind of test out how things work by turning stuff in. So what I do, here's test student, and here's the submission. You can see there's the assignment submission. Okay, I'm going to click on these 3 dots and go to Speed Grader. Okay, Speed Grader allows me to see what the students turned in. If they inserted a Google Doc link, as long as I'm shared on that link, I'll be able to see the live version of that Google Doc here. Okay, so on the right side, I just give them a grade. I could add a comment here, needs more work, and then click submit. Okay, so what does that look like for my gradebook? So I'm going to click on the gradebook icon, and there it is. 9 out of 15. I can change that grade if I want to, but remember, I got there by Speed Grader. Okay, so that is how you create and you review and grade an assignment in Canvas. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next one.